Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'll be showing you guys how I do this super cute, super simple style. I was actually really hyper that day. So I'm not going to add any product in my hair. I've divided it into 3 sections. It was blow dried. I'm not adding any product because in the morning I filmed this style which I uploaded I think 2 days ago. I'll leave the link of it in the description bar down below so you can check that out. I'm just going to use a brush to sort of like brush my hair and lay it down, but I'm not adding any product. My hair is nicely moisturized and I did put edge control earlier on in the day, so I don't feel like I need to add any more products. You can use more edge control or gel if you want to. I mean, you know, whatever works for you. So I'm just pulling my hair like this to lay it a little bit flatter, but don't pull your hair too much because you don't want it, like you don't want to pull your edges out. Well, take 2 here again. So I'm just going to use actually this braiding, I don't even know the brand of it, but you can use any braiding hair that you have. I'd actually recommend using Mali hair if you have 4C hair like I do. I'm just going to show you guys how I braid. As you can see, I just divided my hair like you see, like I had 3 sections. So I'm just starting with the top section and I'm just crisscrossing that, and then I'm taking the section with my hair and then keep going and going, and the only thing that you have to do now is take a piece of the extension and add it to the leg that your hair had, because we're trying to cover the hair to make it look like the extension, or at least have the extension cover the hair so it does not show, because as you can see the textures are quite different. I think again Mali hair would be a better option to use if you have 4C hair like I do. So after that it's just continuing to braid over and over. Yeah, I mean you guys get it. I hope if you think that I can explain it better, then let me know, then I'll try to explain it in a different way. But if you got it, then that's cool. That was the point of this video. Try to keep the sections actually separate so that you're not mixing them all the time. As you can see here, I was having some troubles putting the sections apart and the hair kept on getting mixed up together, but I got through it. Like, I like to film these videos guys when I'm trying sort of like the first time, so you can see me struggling. You probably struggle the same way kind of thing, but at the end of the day, like, you got it, because I got it, so you'll get it too. So I'm just going to do the other side and repeat the same process using the same type of hair extension, and right now I'm just tying it with a rubber band again. And then I'm just going to grab the hair extension and do the same thing that I did on the other side. I'm really enjoying this whole YouTube thing. It's getting me to experiment with so many things that I would never try before, and I find myself spending so much time on Pinterest and Instagram trying to look up styles to try, and you know, like I'm just so excited about this whole thing. I hate editing videos but I like creating the styles, and it just makes me feel really good. Oh, by the way, don't forget to tie the bottom of it. I'm just using a rubber band to tie it, and when I was finished like doing the braiding part, I was so excited because like that was like, I thought that was going to be the hardest part, which it was, but we got through it and I did it. So I'm going to use these hair extensions as my ponytail. It's just like a weaving hair. It's, what do you call it? Is it a weft? A weaving hair? One of those. Like, it's just weaving hair, and I'm just going to take it and put a bobby pin at the end where the 2 of them connect, like the 2 sides connect, and then I'm just going to put that at the back on my little band thing, and then I'm just going to turn it around the little band to cover it, and that's going to be my ponytail. Again, in this section I would probably use Mali hair again, because the texture of this weaving extension is a little bit softer than the texture of my hair. When I bought it, I thought it was going to be the same as my hair, but it turns out it is not. But the cool thing about it is that it's tangle free. By the way, I got it from an African store, so I don't even know where I can recommend for you guys to buy it, but you can use any like what do you call it, weaving hair that you have, or wefts that you have to create the ponytail, or if you have like those ponytail already created, then you can use those as well for this style. So as you can see, the two braided tails that I have, I'm just going to tie them. I thought at the beginning to tie it from the bottom, but then I changed my mind and decided to tie it from the top, because I think there was a video that I did that had me tying something similar-ish at the bottom, so I thought I'd try the top this time. But that's pretty much all I'm doing. I'm just tying it, and just to make sure that the ponytail doesn't look like it's like an extension piece kind of thing, even though we all know it's extension, but you know, like hide it kind of thing, just to make it look you know, like it's yours and it's flawless kind of thing. And then I'm just going to take the other piece again and do the same thing. The reason I actually tied it to the top is because I wanted to add like the little golden jewelry stuff, and I thought it would look better if I tied it from the top instead of tying it at the bottom. So this is pretty much it, guys. Like, the style is actually really super simple to create. I'm just obsessed with Pinterest right now. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, thank you again for coming back. Please help me grow the channel by sharing it and inviting people to the channel. I will see you next time, so don't forget to subscribe. Bye.